We are now in the midst of elections, and there is need to reach out to people, to communicate and talk to them clearly, and therefore this donation is not something that we take for granted. That they have been able to donate here 3 vehicles equipped fully with the modern state-of-the-art communication equipment that will enable us to be able to talk clearly and openly to our people. We say asante. We also thank Mr. Molo, because as he has rightly said, we are in the middle of a pandemic and we need to keep our people safe. Therefore we need sanitizers, and also we need masks, and so that the people can wear masks, keep their hands clean,